Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can actually earn free crypto up to $20 and how you can actually withdraw it with this particular website. And this website pays you instantly. So all you have to do is to learn and take crypto quizzes online. And once you do this, you get paid $20. And as you are paid this $20, you can actually withdraw it. So stay tuned and watch this video through to the end as I show you step by step on how you can actually earn this free crypto. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Chidi Finance and I help you build your finance and grow your wealth. In this channel, I try as much as possible to create content around personal finance, investing, making money online, and earning passive income. So if this channel looks like what you've been looking for, or if this channel brings a lot of value, do well to hit the like button and also subscribe to this channel. Make sure you turn on the bell icon so that you can get notified when I release more videos around these topics. Alright, so let's get right into the topic for today. So how you can actually earn free crypto online by through this particular method. So this is it. So you're going to this particular website that just came out recently, and I think this opportunity is available for people all around the globe. I think so. So this is the homepage of the website. It says here, get smarter about crypto, no spam, complete control over what you see, learn at your own pace. So what this website actually does, the name of the website is Breach.club, or the name simply is Breach. So what this website actually does is that it gives you free resources for you to learn about crypto, some simple terminologies about crypto, and also some other simple guides for those who are just joining in crypto, those who want to start their journey into cryptocurrencies or just learn about the industry. So that's what the website basically does. And now, as an addition to that, they also add quizzes. So after you learn, you also take quizzes from what you learn, and as you take these quizzes, you get paid eggs. And as those eggs mature to a quality point, once it gets to a certain point, you actually get the amount in dollars. And once you get the amount in dollars, you can withdraw it. And once it gets to a certain dollar threshold, you can actually withdraw it from there. So this is how you're going to be doing it. Let me show you how. Okay, let's just look at the website first. So get smarter about crypto, Gembridge for free. Okay, look at it. Hi, we are Bridge. At Bridge, we believe everyone can learn about crypto. That's why we're making crypto fun and easy to understand. So what they do is they actually make it very easy to understand. Like myself, I have a bit of knowledge. I think I've been in cryptocurrency for around 2 years now. When I discovered this website, I discovered that there are so many free resources, so many very easy to learn resources that if I had them, or if I knew about them when I started cryptocurrency, I would have been a lot more better by now. But I've learned from it, so I'm actually benefiting. So you too can actually benefit as well. That's why we are making crypto fun and easy to understand across a variety of formats depending on your preference. Think of us as the most fun and easily digestible crypto hub you can find. So this is the pattern of their training. They have series. We go beyond the news and add human touch. You can learn crypto made fun, not the typical approach to learning the fundamentals of crypto. There's so many. You can see coming soon. So they are still updating features. The application or the website is actually very new. It's very new, and you can join in now and get the free money and learn. So community podcast, get front rows to the smartest. Okay, so this is it. We are helping thousands of people understand difficult things. So these are some reviews by different people. I scored 100 in today's quiz. Okay, so as you pass the quizzes, you are given points. As you also sign up to the website, you are given points. And I think I checked their Telegram platform, sorry, their Twitter platform, and I discovered that they were giving out free NFTs from, I think, Nest Coin or something like that, for those who were active on the app, who passed quizzes, and who were also able to refer people to the website. So I'll talk more on that later in this video. So these are some of the reviews. These are students for this was a person in Nigeria. I got where me. This ASU strike has been a learning curve for me. One of such learnings at Bridge Academy onto the next Bridge Club. Okay, so these are people who have used their website and have also enjoyed it. So it's not just about not just going to be boring lectures. It's not something that you come and be you take over 10 hours or 5 hours to learn. No, It's actually a very, very fun, simplified way to learn about cryptocurrency. So get Bridge in your email, sign up. So this is where we're going to be. This is where we're going to go so that you can actually see the features and benefit from this app. So you come over here to sign up. Let's click on sign up. Okay, the request could not be satisfied. I think you're having issues with the website. Let's retry it again. To sign up easily, check the link in the description box below, or you can also search the comment box. I dropped the link there, so you can just click on the link and go. It will take you where you can sign up and create an account. Okay, join Bridge as we try it. Okay, so this is it. You see, I went to the menu section. So you see join. I think the other sign up down there is not working. So join. So what you have to do is to come over here, create an account. Welcome to Bridge, personalize your crypto. So you have to input your first name, your email address, your country, you continue. So let me try out with something. Let me do something. Let me do a test for you. GD. Okay, Nigeria, continue. So we're waiting for it to open. Successful. Okay. So once it's successful, you'll be sent a verification link. So what you have to do, there's a time, where you have to take note of. So I have 49 seconds to go and verify my email address. So all I have to do is to minimize now and go over to my email address. I'm going to pause this video. I'll go over, do that, then I come back. Okay, so this is my Gmail account now. It's here. Please click on the link to verify. So I'll click on it, verify my email. So waiting for it to verify me. All right. So as simple as that. See how simple the sign up process is. Very, very simple for you to sign up and join the Bridge community, or the open a Bridge account. So that's it. So sit here. The headline is Bridge minted with love. Okay, so this is it. How to succeed at long-term investment. Now, these are certain things, certain articles on cryptocurrencies, lessons on cryptocurrency. How to succeed at long-term investment. Will crypto make me rich in 5 years? So, several topics on crypto you can actually learn from. So, let's pick one of the articles and look at it so that we can continue. How to succeed at long-term investment. Okay, so this is it. I hate waiting. Okay, this is the article. So for some of you, or for some of you who don't know anything about crypto, some questions you have in your mind to ask. So these are some of the answers. So it's a detailed article, about a particular topic. So they give detailed article about topics that you want to learn about, so that you become better in cryptocurrency. So you see, this is it, and there are several other articles you can actually learn from that would bring you a lot of value. So now, but where I want us to get to, so that how you can actually earn free crypto, is here. You go over to this menu section, then you come over here, come over to profile. Okay, before we get to where you can actually get your money, earn the free crypto, you come over to this quiz, quiz history. I'll show you how the quiz is. Okay. Welcome to Bridge. Please answer a couple of questions to help us personalize your learning experience. So now, what brings you to Bridge? I want to learn about crypto business. I want to become a crypto expert. So for you who is just joining in, who don't have any experience about crypto, you can you can tap the first one. I want to learn about crypto. Or if you're already into crypto, but you want to become a crypto expert, you can use the second one. So let me act as a newbie. I want to learn about crypto basics. I'll click here. So they have every they personalize the information they send to you, or any quiz they send to you based on what you choose here. So I want to learn about crypto basics next. Okay. So this is the ask. How much do you know about crypto? Not do you nothing at all, very little, a moderate amount, a lot. So which one? So I'll go with nothing at all. I'm just joining cryptocurrencies. I'm just learning about cryptocurrencies. Okay. So now I say pick a goal. I would like a beginner friendly content. I would like resources that break down crypto in short bits. I would like resources that thoroughly explain crypto innovations. Okay. So I like resources that break down crypto. So for me, what I'll do is I'll like beginner friendly content because I'm a newbie. I'm acting as a newbie now. Next. Okay. The next question. Choose the crypto terms that are familiar to you. What and what do you know? So these are key crypto terms: smart contract, double coin staking, yield farming, cryptocurrency. So I'll just take the two that every newbie is familiar with, which is Bitcoin and Ethereum. Done. Okay. Now, the last one. How did you hear about Bridge? Select an option. Um, Google, word of mouth, Facebook. Okay. If you're just hearing about this website for the first time, you can type order since YouTube is not here. And you can come here and type YouTube. YouTube. They need all this information so that they will know how people got to know about them. Very, very important. So you see, once you complete the quiz, the initial quiz, the beginning quiz, you will be given a reward. You completed the quiz, great job. You just completed your first quiz. Here is 25x. All right. So you see, and this is where the free crypto lies. This is where the free crypto lies. I'm going to go over this so that you understand what I'm saying. All right, so you can see here. So now you just view your profile so that you see your eggs added to your account. Now, the more eggs you have, the more crypto you get. I don't know if you understand. The more eggs you have, the more crypto you get. So this is your profile. This is your profile. So you see, you're almost a rookie. You're almost a breach rookie. Your rank 68,000. It's number 68,000. So now you have, for you to be a breach rookie, you have to hit, you have to get around 50x. So the stage is progresses. The stage progresses. So now for just joining every day you open the app, you are earning and you earn 10x. Don't worry, I'll explain to you what it means. So what you do is you come over there, you see what I just clicked. Click on NX as you earn for today. The more, if you earn for 7 days straight, if you earn for 7 days straight, you will have over 130x. 130x, and this 30x 130x is money. So now you come over here, they give out daily tax. So this is where it lies. They give out daily tax, and for every daily tax you perform, you are earning money. So let's go over daily tax, complete tax. So I'll come here, complete tax. Let's take a quiz. Take a quiz today. Take a quiz. There's so much you can do. Okay. I think it's not opening, but let me go over another one. So I will do waste time. Take a quiz. So if you want to earn more points, what you just need to do is to follow them on Twitter. You earn 50x. Okay. Other ones are still coming. I told you this website is still a new website. So if you don't know about it, jump in on it now and benefit before others start coming. So now, okay. Then the next way I'm going to tell you, okay, before we go to the other way, you come over here, view your badges. So this is where you know what and what it takes, or the rank you have to get this free cryptocurrency I'm talking about. So view your badges. Okay, so this is it. Now it has opened different badges. So you see, once you're able to hit 50x, you have become a rookie. You're able to hit 100 dabbler, 200 apprentice, 500 enthusiast, breach master 2000, breach pro 4000x, and breach legend 10,000x. So this is what you're going to be targeting. to get up to 10,000x, because 10,000x is the icebreaker. The icebreaker. I'm going to show you the value of this 10,000x. Okay, so let's go back. Let's go back. So now with these eggs, you have your money. That's your potential cryptocurrency. That's a potential free money. That's the potential free money. So if you're able to earn these eggs in a large quantity, or the best way to even earn this egg, there's one way I'm going to show you in this video that people would not always tell you. I'm going to tell you now. So this is it. For you to be able to earn, get it faster, because if you want to follow the normal method, it will be very, I will not say very hard, but you just have to take some time, or you be patient a lot enough to get to this stage. Because what you have to do is, if you are taking, earning, opening the app daily and earning your eggs and taking daily quiz, you'd you would not get so far. You will not end up to that 10,000 eggs in, I think, in a short period of time. Except you are willing to, you're able to wait. So but this is the best way I use to earn 10,000 eggs. So what I do is I'll come over here, my referrals. So Bridge actually pays for referrals. They actually pay you for referrals. So depending on the number of referrals you have, you get reward. You get egg reward. So like now, you can see here, I just opened referrals now. You say it says here, next reward 100x per 5 referrals. So if you refer 5 people, you are earning 100x. You get it? So for each person you refer, you get 10x. For each person you refer, you get 10x. So for 5 referrals, you get 100x. And now look at how it is going, and so that I think you would get it now. This is the free money. So this is it. For 5 referrals, you get 100x. For 10 referrals, you get 250x. For 20 referrals, you become part of the Bridge VIP club. And this VIP club have exclusive offers and packages for those who are part of it. Then for 50 referrals, we have $20. You see, 20 BUSD, which is a crypto coin. This is it. So this is the free money here. For 50 people you are able to refer, you get 20 BUSD. So the free money comes with referral. So if you're able to refer people, you're going to earn 20 BUSD from this website. Then if you're able to refer 100 referrals, you'll be able to get 100 referrals. What will happen is they'll pay you this $20 and also give you a Bridge Centurion NFT plus social media spotlight. Who doesn't like to be announced or to be recognized? So you'll be recognized on the social media platform. So you get, this is how you can actually earn free money. And this is how do you do this? You come over here, come down here to share bridge. Share bridge. Yes, you see a rack up referrals quickly by sharing your unique link. So this is your unique link. You can share it on Twitter, WhatsApp, or Facebook. So all you just need to do is to come over here. Look, there's a small copy button here, and click on it. Once you click on it, it shows copied, and you can now share it with your friend. The more referrals you earn, the more money you make. You get your recent referrals. So as you refer them, as you refer your friends, you see them show here. They will show up here, and it's very very easy. Not those applications that you will need to refer. When you refer people, you have to do a lot of process, and at the end of the day, they may end up not completing the process, and you don't get your money. But this one here, the referral process is very very simple. I showed you how to the registration process is very very simple. So the people you refer, your referrals, will find it very easy to sign up. And as they sign up, you're going to get, once you get up to the threshold, the number of referrals you get your free money, and also get NFTs. So I don't know if this video brought a lot of value, but I believe it brought a lot of value. So if this video brought a lot of value, I would love you to please smash that like button for me, so that this video will get to other people. And also subscribe to my channel. Do well to also tap the bell icon to get notified when I release more videos around topics like this. See you in the next video.